Let us see how to make this part in Solidworks. So open the Solidworks, go to the features, select front plane for sketch. Um, Let us create this feature first. So that is 70 plus 75 minus 25. That is 50 plus 70, 120. Draw the circle, draw the line, create one more line, draw another line from here to here. Distance from here to here is 120. Draw the center line, make it symmetry. Select these three lines, make it symmetry, and width is 120. See the drawing, 54, 12 plus 54, 108, 120, width is 120, and the circle diameter is 40 and 80. This is 40 and diameter, inner circle diameter is 80. Now trim this circle and then you OK. That's it. Now extrude, thickness is 60. OK. Now create this feature. Draw two circles, 40 and 80 in diameter. Select these two circles, make it equal. Select these two circles and make it equal. Now height will be 21 minus 16, that is 5 mm. Extrude 5 mm. OK. Now select this plane for sketch. Draw the center line. Make it vertical. Make it symmetry. Draw the circle. So this height is 90 mm. Make it tangent. This and this line. Make it tangent. And now the drawing. Draw the circle of diameter 30. Now outside circle diameter is 60. Now extrude this feature to 16 mm height. Exit from the sketch. Extrude. Edit the sketch. Trim this circle. Exit from the sketch. Extrude. Sixteen mm. And then give out. Now create this feature, that is 25 minus 16, that is plus 9 mm, 60 and 30. Select display sketch. Equal. Select these two circles, equal relation. Exit and extrude 9 mm. Now select the front right plane for sketch. Create two circles of diameter 40 and 60 and width is 24. Yeah. Now create 45 height and width is 70, 45. This is 70 and 45. Exit. Now extrude, midplane 24, 24, and then pivot. Now select the right plane for sketch. Now draw the line. Now convert entities. Select the circle. Give OK. Now trim the circle. Select these two circles and then give tangent relation. Select line and circle. Give tangent relation. Now draw the line and then draw the circle here. Select these two circles. Q equal relation. Exit. Now extrude 12 mm. So this completes the part. Thanks for watching.